Okay, as a start of our new course, what do you think if we started with a new project, a small one, coming up? Hello guys, this is Hassan Abdel Salam. Welcome to the first session in the Revit architecture course. Today we are going to start a small project from start to finish. So let's. As a start, open Revit. I'm working on Revit 2020. What we are going to need to achieve our building. First thing, walls, floors, and roof, of course, doors and windows. I will try to keep it simple, but the aim of this small project is to break the ice between you and Revit. Just follow my lead and we will explain everything. Okay, first thing, I just want to make a wall. I will go to Architecture tab, Wall. First thing, I will go to Architecture tab, Wall. And from Properties here, I will select or keep selecting this one, any type of exterior wall. Exterior. So it's okay to work with any wall you have. And I will draw a wall, click. For example, I will write down 12,000 millimeter. Okay. And the vertical one, I want it, for example, to be 9,000. As you notice, Revit is guiding me to go vertical or horizontal. And snapping, that's okay. Click. And to finish what I did, I will go to modify and click. So here we have our 4 walls. In order to see our walls, I will go to View tab, 3D View, and I will click 3D View. Now we have our walls in here. Okay. Can zoom out, zoom in, click on the scroll or click on the middle mouse button. Or if I want to orbit, I can make this through the cube in here. Or as a shortcut, press Shift and middle mouse button and I can orbit freely. Okay, so Revit 2019 and 2020 and of course 2021 has tabs. I will go back to level 0. I will go to Architecture tab, Walls again, and now I want to create partitions, internal partition or interior partitions. So I will find wall, interior, whatever for now. I can zoom in. Maybe I will select the midpoint here and click. Skip once and click, that's it. And here we are, skip twice. So now we have our exterior walls and interior walls. Okay, so let's go to create doors. Let's click on doors. Now I have double door and let's make our entrance from here. Click and skip twice and go to door and select. I just want single door. I select whatever size for now. Okay. Another door. Excellent. Okay, but skip twice. I want to change directions for these doors. So I will click on this door and for the double door and flip the direction as I want. And for this one, I can make it open to inside and change direction also, but I think this will be better. And for this one, I only flip the opening. Okay, go back to our 3D view, and using shift and middle mouse button, I can orbit and zoom door and single door, another single door. That's great. Excellent. Now it's time to create floor. So in level 0, I want to create the flooring. So I will go to Architecture tab, Build, Floor. And in Create Floor Boundary, in here, I have too many options. I will make sure that I will select Pick Walls. I can pick walls one by one, or I can hover over, just only hover over one wall and press tab, and it will select the entire chain. That's it. Finish, and I'm done. Now we have the flooring in here. Don't worry about this. Now I want to create floor, the first floor. Okay, go back in here and let's check. I will go to View, Section, and click from here to here, and from Project Browser. Okay, I have my project browser in here, but normally you will find it under the project properties in here. So I will go to Sections, Section 1, double click. Now I can see my section in here. The door, this door. Okay, let's go back to level 1 and Architecture tab, Build, Floor, and continue picking walls. It's okay to click wall by wall if it is simple, but you know the tab option and it's very efficient. Okay, yes, yes, that's great. I will go back to check from the 3D view, and here we have our first floor. Now it's time to create windows. Level 0, Architecture tab, Window. I select whatever window in here. Okay, let's make one window in here. And let's check this window in the 3D view. Is it okay? Yes, I think this is the correct direction, because if not, we can flip it inside out. Okay, window. 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 And another window. That's okay for now. Let's go to the 3D view. Now we have our windows. I just want to copy or to make the windows in the first floor the same as windows in the ground floor. I will select one window here and right click, select all instances in entire project, and this will select all windows. And I will go to clipboard and modify clipboard, copy to clipboard, and from paste I will paste to selected levels, and I will click, I select level 1 and OK, and go to the 3D view, the same location as the ground floor. Next step, I'll go to level 1 and create roof. Also I will select tab, make sure that this dot dashed line to be outside, and click OK. Yes. Okay. So this is a problem. I will select this roof, and from properties I will create, for example, base offset around 4 meters, and everything is okay again. Here is our project. Now we finished our simple first project. I know if you are new to Revit, most or all of these commands are new to you, but I did this for a reason, and starting from the next session we are going to explain everything starting from the beginning. See you next time.